Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Related. Friends, today in this video I again came with a product review. Let me unbox this first. And yeah, before getting into the video, I have a small request from you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe me and don't forget to hit on that bell button such that if I upload any new video, you'll get notified first. And guys, here is my product. It is pomegranate and lime fresh 2-in-1 hand press or manual fruit juicer. And this is how it looks. Friends, in this container you will get two attachments. This is the first one where you can squeeze orange or lemon. At the end of the video I gonna give demo also, so please do watch till end of my video. And this is the second one where you can put pomegranate or grapes or watermelon pieces and you can crush it like this. Product material is of plastic, easy manual operation, which is handy and comfortable, and it is portable too. Coming to the dimension, it is of 20 x 10 x 10 centimeter. Its strainer catches pulps and seeds and collect up to 350 ml or 400 ml of juice. I got this for 240 rupees on Amazon, and a small disclaimer, the price might be increasing or decreasing also. I think every home requires this because it is easy to use, handy to use, and it is portable also, and even you are getting this product for cheap price. And color of the product might be differ according to the availability.